Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I do not go long without washing my hair. If you come around me and you can say my locks smell bad, that's a lie. I am not one of those girls. What you saying, guys and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Monica and we have another loc video. This video is going to be all about things I do not do to my beautiful locks. Let's get in. Things I don't do to my beautiful locks. Bleaching my hair. Like I tell y'all, I don't care. I'm 4 years in and I don't look at bleach. A lot of people today, and I know y'all see what's going on in the loc community. Don't act like y'all didn't see. Plenty of people are combing with their locks because of bleach damage. In the long run, yes, styles look nice. Yes, it looks important. But bleaching can definitely damage your locks in the long run. And I just don't want to be one of those victims of bleaching damaging my locks. Like, I don't know if I'll have like the urge to maybe dye like one lock or two. But bleaching, I've never done it. I'm not gonna do it no time soon. And like I say, I might do one lock or two depending on how I feel, because I like one lady hair I saw, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to bleaching route. So just be aware, bleaching does damage your locks. Another thing that I do not do to my locks is DIY experiments. And I call DIY experiments, I seen some people literally put green mask in their locks. I seen some people put that just crazy experiments that they see online, like testing it out on their locks. Like, I am not one of those girls. I am not gonna do a DIY experiment, especially if I don't know nothing about the experiment, or I don't know what's gonna happen to me when I do the experiment in the long run. Like, I cannot take that risk. So I don't do DIY experiments on my. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I avoid tight styling at all costs. As you can see, my hair is actually styled now. I did went to the salon for the new year, but when I personally do my hair, like, I avoid tight styling at all costs. Like, even this style right here, like, this is a very low maintenance style, and I'm going to keep this in for about a week or two. I'm not going to keep it in long, so I try to avoid tight styling at all costs. And also this year I want to just let my hair breathe and wear my hair down some more, so I try to avoid tight styling. And yeah, I don't do that. I don't do tight styles to my locks. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is over maintenance. Like, I am not going to the salon every week, and I'm not going every 2 weeks. Like, I do not over maintain my hair. I'm not constantly retwisting my hair. Like, I need my hair to breathe. I want my hair to flourish. So that over retwisting, it's a no-no for me. Like, I don't do it. Over retwisting and over maintenance, it costs a lot of things. It gets thinning in the long run, and it can severely damage your locks. So I try to stay away from over maintaining my hair. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I do not retwist dry hair. Like, if you look at my retwisting videos, you will see that I literally use water and oil. And most of the times when I retwist my hair, I just wash it. If you retwist dry hair, like, eventually you will get some sort of breakage. Another thing that I do not do to my locks is I don't use wax on my hair. Like, that is so 2002. Like, I don't use wax on my hair. Like, beeswax. If you're using wax on your hair, like, be very careful. Not even be careful, like, stop using it. It's not good for your hair. Like, try to only use good chemicals. Like, good chemicals. Chemicals that you know, chemicals that you research, chemicals that you know is tea. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I do not interlock my hair. From I had my locks, I've never interlocked my hair. Like, I don't even take the risks. Interlocking is a no for me. Like, I've seen damages from interlocking. Like, you have to be very careful with interlocking. Like, interlocking is not for everybody. Interlocking does work for, I think, the sister locks, but interlocking, no for me. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I do not sleep without a bonnet. Like, a bonnet is me. I've been there before. When you don't sleep without a bonnet, you can cause length, your style can come out, you can get thinning from just rough rolling on the pillow, it's not for me. So I try to always sleep with a bonnet or my hair covered at night. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I do not go long without washing my hair. That's not me. If you come around me and you can say my locks smell bad, that's a lie. I am not one of those girls. I wash my hair and maintain my hair as much as needed. Like I do the 9 yards with my locks. And washing is definitely a form of self-care for me, if you ask me. Another thing that I don't do to my locks is I definitely do not use large amounts of products on my locks. Large amount of products, especially if it's not like natural. Like I always go the natural route, and this goes back into me not using heavy products at all. So conditioners I do not use. I do hot oil treatments instead. Edge Loc retwist gels, I've not used it, but I do want to get into some small businesses just to see if I like it, just to see what's really tea, you know, give it a little review. I'll be okay with that. Heavy products such as butters, heavy oils, yes, there's a form of heavy oil. Coconut oil is definitely one, and just anything heavy I try to stay away from. Another thing that I do not do to my locks is I do not go to multiple people to retwist my hair. Like I've definitely grown out of that. When I first started I was lost, but now that I learned and I've matured, now I just have a solid 2 people that I go to, or I just do it myself. But I like retwisting my hair myself. Like I find like that works wonders for me. Yeah, so I hope this video helped somebody. I hope you took something from this video. If you did, just be sure to subscribe and join the family. Also, if there's something that I didn't mention that you don't do to your locks, or if you can relate to what I'm saying, drop a comment down below. Your comment will always help somebody else. So thank you so much for watching.